Okay, so make sure when you are entering radicals whose index is different from 2, make sure that you are using the correct formatting. So on this one, I'm doing 8 square root of 13 plus 7 square root of 13. Those are two like terms, so that's 15 square root of 13. And then I have minus 3 cube root of 5 minus 8 cube root of 5. And that gives me minus 11 times the cube root of 5. Now, one thing that can happen, people may use, it looks like you used the exponent button and then hit the square root. I'm sorry. Hit the exponent button, got out of exponent position, and then hit the square root. And even though that looks the same to you, the computer is not looking at it, but it is looking at the formatting of it, understanding what you formatted in. So to the computer, this is minus 11 cubed times the square root of 5, which is incorrect. The correct way to enter the cube root of 5 is to select the nth root template. And I just want to show you too. Let me go back before I do this. If I enter it like this, it looks right to you visually, and this is going to be counted as wrong because the computer understands this, the way you formatted it, as 15 square root of 13 minus 11 cubed times square root of 5, even though that looks the same to us. Notice how this is going to be wrong. Okay? That's wrong because what I formatted in was wrong. All right, so now even though that looks like the correct answer, it is not formatted correctly, so it's incorrect. But now look at what happens when I go and format it correctly. I use the nth root template. I put in 3 as the index, 5 as the radicand. And now notice it's correct. So even though to you that looked the same, the computer saw what you entered and understood it for what it really was, minus 11 to the 3rd power times the square root of 5. So you do have to use the nth root template when you are entering nth roots. You can't use the exponent button to enter the index. That's the button for the template for exponents, not for indices. Okay, so just to be aware of that.